Hey man, what's up? You know my babe was so happy the last time, especially with that fountain. You know, I want to help out my folks. When they got together, they didn't even have the money to do a wedding. And now it's their 3rd anniversary party. So at least I want to throw them a cool party. But you know, I still got my student loan to pay off. So you know, I got to do a lot with a little.
So then when you gonna throw a party for me, Big Daddy? After all the help I gave you through the years?
Yeah, definitely. But some other time, this is for my papa and mama.
Whatever.
Haha, always Big Daddy to the rescue.
Let's get started by putting the organza overlay on. You can even use tins with it.
Gosh, going too fast.
Darn it, start helping.
Oh, sorry.
Let's start with the centerpiece. Let's begin with the base. Use a foam ball. And stick all the feathers in. Last feather. Just throw in the extra plates.
So let me do this one, looks easy.
So let's put up the curtains.
How are we supposed to hang this up on the wall?
Not that hard. You can just use the curtain rod to hang the backdrop. See, I told you not that hard.
Ah, thanks, Big Daddy.